Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Tesco Bank Card online. If you'd like to activate your credit card online for Tesco Bank, then the process is quite easy. Simply keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.tescobank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page of Tesco Bank. To activate your credit card, you'll first need to log into your online banking account. So click on the login button at the top right hand corner and then enter your username associated with your online banking account. After you are done, click the login button. On the next page, type in your password for your Tesco online banking account and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the credit cards option and then click on the activate button in order to activate your new credit card. That is how you can easily activate your Tesco Bank card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.